guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I've already gone ahead to moisturize my skin and I've done my brows as well. Then I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Peccan, and I'm putting the product directly on my skin. That way I get ultimate utilization of every single formula of this product. And I'm going in with my Pac 231 brush to blend everything in so I get a really nice even layer. And yeah. Then I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I'm taking the product and I'm putting it under my eye. I'm placing it on my chin and also on my forehead. I like to do this weird semicircle thing on my forehead. Don't judge, you guys. Like, it just works when it's blended out. Let me know in the comment section below if you do anything like this to make your makeup work, okay? Then to blend, I'm going in with my Kiko Milano beauty blender. Now this is a damp beauty blender, guys. I always get questions like, how do I blend my makeup so seamlessly? It's because my beauty blender is wet. So if you guys are using a dry beauty blender to blend out your concealer, stop it, okay? Like, stop it today. Yeah, so that's how it looks like. Now to contour, I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro contour powder in the shade Deep. Now on a normal day I would usually go for a cream contour, but since my eye makeup is going to be very bright and bold, I want my base layer to look very natural, airy, and just very soft and, you know, airbrushed. Now speaking of eyes, I'm going in with this beautiful tangerine orange shade that looks really good on deep skin tones in my opinion, and I'm patting that color in and I'm trying to get a lot of that pigment on my eye. I'm using this as a transition shade mainly because I am going to pack on a blue after this, and the blue is really bright, so I don't want my orange shade to get washed out in that blue. So if you guys notice, I'm also placing that color and I'm dragging that out to my outer V so I can create a really nice wing later. Now just to add a little bit of depth of field, I'm going in with this chocolate brown shade and just placing that on my outer V, and I'm just blending that in. Now this is the step that I do all the time, which is cut my crease. This is not something that's so special. It's something I do all the time, so I'm not going to go into detail as to how I cut my crease, but I'm just doing it and I'm just following my crease line, and I'm overcutting my crease. Actually, I'm not cutting it to my crease. So it's time to play around with this beautiful electric shimmer blue from Pac Cosmetics. Now initially I did start off with a brush, but then I did go in with my fingers because I realized that this formula is best applied with my fingers. Now sorry guys, I did lose a couple of footage here and there, but I didn't do anything too special. I basically covered my crease area with that blue, and then I'm going in with this chocolate brown shade to emphasize the outer V that we created earlier, and I'm also dragging that color onto my crease line. That way it creates a really nice depth of field illusion for the blue and the orange. And I'm also dragging that same chocolate brown under my eye so I get a really nice effect. Then to truly complete this look, I'm going in with this beautiful bronze foil shimmer and placing that in my inner corner. This just helps to complete the look and just balance all the shades out. Now for blush, I'm going in with my favorite cream blush. I've been using this in all my latest videos and I like it so much because it not only acts as a blush but also acts as a highlighter. That way it just keeps everything so neutral and so basic and just so natural. Now for my lips, I'm going in with this burgundy brown shade from Miss Claire. I'm also lining my lips to create a little bit of definition to make my lips a little plump. Then I'm going in with this liquid lipstick from Colabar in the shade Mocha. I really like this shade, but when I applied it, I figured out that this shade was a little too dark for my overall look. So I'm going in with my Maybelline lipstick in the shade Nude Embrace. And voila! Damn, is that me? Anyways, if you guys like this look, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.